we're going to talk about how you can use Microsoft Office Forms within your Glow tenancy. So you can see here I have created a form and it's all about a parental event evaluation. So when you create your form, you're asked to give it a title. If you highlight that text, you can make it bold, italicize, change the font, etc. So you've got a few options there. You can also add an image simply by clicking. You can add that image, and then you can add in a little bit more information about your what it is your form is all about. Then you simply click on Add New to add questions. So I've added a range of questions in this evaluation for parents. So simply by clicking on the plus button allows me to add different types of questions. This is a simple multiple choice question that I've added here, and I have set it to required because I really want to know, did the parents enjoy the online event? Moving down, this one I've chosen is a scale. So I've added in some options along here and some statements, and the parents simply click to add that in. The next question is a text box where they can add text answers. Again, I'm going to make that required. And this one is also required. Then I've added, do you have any other comments? So I'm not going to make that one required. And then I've asked them, how likely are you to recommend this event? So again, definitely want to know what they thought about that. And overall, how would you rate the event? I'm going to make that required, and I can change it to a star. So each of these questions was just added using Add New. So that was the choice, a text question, a rating question, and the Likert scale was this one where I simply added in the options. I'm going to delete that one just now. If I want to change the order, I simply click on these arrows up here to move the questions up and down the screen. Once you've created your form, you can preview it to see what it will look like for the parents. Simply click on the preview button, and that will let you see what it will look like on a computer, but you can also see what it will look like on a mobile. So you can see how it automatically adjusts the form to be viewed on a mobile, and there's the submit button for the parents at the end. When you're happy with how it looks, simply click back. So there we go, I've now got this quiz, this form that I want to share with the parents, and I simply do that by clicking on share. And you can see that I have some options here. I need to set that to anyone can respond because I want that to go out to all of my parents. So I can either send them a link, which I can make short, that I can pop into my class blog or out on a newsletter, for example, or I can have a QR code, which I can post again on my blog. Again, perhaps if you're using Seesaw or something along those lines, you could post it there. I can also embed it if I am using Sway or something like that, or I can email it out to the parents. However, one thing you want to do before you share that is you want to click on these three dots here and you want to go to settings. Now what that does is it checks, yep, anybody can respond. It's open to accept responses, and I'm going to set a start date for that. So I'm going to start that from today, and I've written here that it will end on the 23rd of December. So I'm going to click end, and I'm going to click the 23rd of December and set the time. You can also change the thank you message to whatever you want. And you can also allow receipts and email notifications. When you've changed those settings, then you're ready to hit share and choose one of your options to share that with the parents. And hopefully that'll give you some really valuable data around the event that you have run in your school and what your parents thought of it. And then you can display that when you have responses. You're able to open that in Excel to see it, and you'll get lots of lovely graphs, etc., that can make a lovely display that can be shared in your school. Hope that helps you understand how you can use forms to share externally with parents.